Hi everyone. In this slide, you are learning about one more important phylum, that is slime molds in the kingdom Protista. They are consumer-decomposer protists, also called as protistan fungi, which are characterized by absence of chlorophyll. Slime molds are saprophytic protists. The body moves along decaying twigs and leaves, engulfing organic material. Under suitable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium, which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium differentiates and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. In picture, you can see those fruiting bodies in different colors. The spores possess true walls. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years, even under adverse conditions. The spores are dispersed by air currents. Slime molds, also called as slime molds, are earlier grouped under fungi. However, later they are kept in the kingdom Protista with other unicellular and small multicellular eukaryotic organisms. They are saprophytic and feed on dead and decaying organic matter. The name slime comes from the gelatinous appearance of macroscopic slime molds. Under unfavorable conditions, they form aggregates. This is common in plasmodial or acellular slime molds. Their size varies from a few centimeters to several square meters. Thank you.